What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my very first episode of What's in the Box. This is where I'm going to unbox some nail products from some of my favorite companies. This one in particular happens to be from Profiles. I just recently went ahead and re-upped my swag subscription, so I have no idea what's in the store for me today. Plus she said she was going to send a couple extra goodies for me to check out. So we're just going to open this up real quick and see what we have to play with this one. Oh my gosh, she knows my heart. Okay, so it looks like we have a couple of little brushes here. These can be used for applying glitter, doing some glitter presses, wiping off excess chrome, stuff like that. But I'm in love. I'm in love with the anodized rainbow. These are going to be my new favorite. Alrighty. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get into that. Oh my god, and it's a sample of the purple sanding bands. Right now I believe I have the green fine ones, and those seem to be really great, especially for cleaning up extra cuticle. Also, I apologize. My voice is totally off. I battled a really nasty cold or something this week, so I was on the struggle bus as far as talking today. And I need to do my nails, so sorry about that. Okay, so I believe this is gonna be my swag. For sure, okay. So it looks like we have some gel art liners. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for something like this. 4 rich fall hues, and oh my gosh, I am on the fall train already. If you know me, I'm gonna be somebody who's getting ready for fall like in July, so this is especially exciting for me. Let's take a look here. Oh, this is awesome too. We have some extra liners, it looks like. Sometimes those can end up being kind of gunky after using them for a while, so it's also nice to have a backup. So we have gold, coffee, spice, and latte. Okay, so if you guys have been paying attention, like doing the squiggly lines like this, some extra line work, have been super on trend lately, and I've had probably all of my clients come in with Pinterest pictures on doing these. I do have pots of gel paints at my station that I work with frequently. Sometimes I'll just grab a gel polish or whatever, but sometimes it can be kind of a pain to like dump into your pots or mix up the right color for whatever it is you're doing. So it's going to be super handy to just have the liner. Oh yeah, I can already tell these are going to be really easy to do lines with. Holy moly. And they're super pigmented too, so I'm not going to have to worry about going back over it with more. I can just do it in one shot. What else do we got here? Oh, so these are one of my favorites too, the indestructible gel polish. I fell in love with it with the top coat because the top coat was super awesome, but it's also, you know, pretty highly pigmented. This looks like the pink that we have in the background here, if I'm not mistaken. I'll play with these later and figure it out. And it looks like we have some decals. One of the things about decals that I've always hated in the past is my clients tend to pick them off. But I've recently learned some techniques on how to keep those on. Another thing with nail trends lately is you see more and more people doing decals and fun stuff like that on their nails. So it's super helpful to know how to almost kind of give them like a mini encapsulation when you're doing these. So in my next video, I'll go over not only these and what we're going to be doing with these, but how to also encapsulate and make those decals, sliders, whatever you want to call them, actually stay on the nail. But these are adorable. These are like different than what I've seen in the past for Halloween stuff. There's actually a lot of detail to these. Sometimes you get pumpkins and it's like, oh, is that a dot or what's going on there? And like these little guys, you can actually see their little eyes and their facial expressions. So I really do appreciate these because they'll be fun to incorporate for Halloween art. And won't be so blah, boring. And it looks like I have some new acrylics to try. This one is Bombshell, Flawless. I'm assuming these are going to be cover powders. And then the clear, their classic clear is really good. I've worked with that before. And white. White is also, you know, super highly pigmented, easy to work with. So what I might just do is just build out a couple of nails with these colors and do my art over top of it and incorporate some of our Halloween decals. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. If you want to order from Profiles, go directly to their site. I'll be posting a link where you can get a discount. And I hope you once again enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video.